What's up? What's going on, guys and ladies? Well, in this episode, I want to introduce the 750 IL I have because I've been posting some videos on this car, but I haven't introduced the car, so I thought I would introduce the car. So I'm gonna post like the pictures and short videos I have, what it went through this car to get here. I mean, it has way more to go, but trust me, it was in such a rough shape. So okay, well, let me start off first. This is a 98, so it's a pre-facelift 750 IL. So but I converted to a facelift, so that's why the fender is different color, and well, obviously headlights and stuff. So I converted it. I got lucky. I found this fender in the same color. I mean, it's a little different, but I mean, to be honest, it doesn't matter, so it's gonna get resprayed anyways. Well, it was a pre-facelift. I got it, so did the facelift conversion. It had a blown engine. Believe it or not, it had a blown engine. Also, like, every single window was cracked or broken on this car for some reason. I don't know why. I mean, the windshield, see, has I don't know if the camera picks up, but it has a crack all the way through. So only windshield left to get it replaced. I did replace the side windows and also did the back window as well, replaced it. Because it was all broken, literally every single piece. I was shocked, like even these things. I don't know why, who did it, to be honest, no clue. Also, it was pretty difficult to find this double glazed windows, but I managed to find one in good condition, so yeah, it's been replaced. Also, the rear bumper, it was broken, so that's why it's different color. I think he rear-ended here lightly, so it was all broken, so replaced that. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty rough, like in terms of exterior. It has like little small dings and stuff, like scratches and stuff, so that doesn't matter because it's gonna get painted, obviously. So if you ask me, was it worth it to save the car or not? I don't know, man. The only thing probably convinced me to save this car, it was interior, to be honest, because the interior, it was in such a mint condition. And like the exterior, it was trash, blown engine, like everything is trash, all the windows broken. But the interior, man, it was in such a great condition, so I just had to save this car. So I'll show you the interior right here. I mean, besides the headliner, so I did the headliner. I mean, it's usual for E38 sagging headliner. I mean, look at it, guys. Isn't it like in such a great condition, man? I mean, ignore that door panel, because I'm gonna change that door. I'll tell you in a bit why. I mean, the phone still works. Like, can you imagine? Like, look at it. Open that. Like, all the shades and everything. Like, great condition. Like, I mean, everything works here. The seats, the adjustable parts, like, it's just crazy good shape. I mean, I'll show you the headliner as well. So I don't know if you can focus. I mean, the headliner got wrapped and a high-end suede here. I got the A-pillars, I'll show you. Come on. Yeah, so pretty much. I mean, I haven't put the A-pillars on because the windshield gonna get replaced, so that's why. So yeah, I mean, look at it. the interior is in great shape. So the reason I haven't put the door panel, the door panel here, because I'm gonna change this door. So there is no reason putting the door panel in, because I don't know if camera can catch it. So it has like a bend here, so it's kind of like a wave. So I don't want to do like any bundle. I want to do as much as like minimal bundle on the car. So that's why I'm just gonna get it replaced, this door. So I do have a door. I have it in black, but if I find silver, that's what I'm waiting for. So I don't have to like paint all here if I find it. If I don't, I'm just gonna use the black and get it painted in there too. But yeah, but I mean, the interior, it's that's where the money was for me, you know. Like, look at it, man. Are you kidding me? Like, not a single tear. Like, you know, usually like 750s, like the stitching part, they usually get ripped, or I don't know, it's usually they're in bad condition. That every 750 I saw so far. But this one, man, like, it was in such a good shape. So yeah, so that was the only reason to save the car. Well, the interior, I mean, yeah, it's pretty much, the interior is done. I just have to put the A-pillars after I change the windshield, but everything else is in, yeah, just, yeah, in great condition. So for the motor, I mean, the water, it works now. It's been fully built. I will show pictures and some videos. I'll provide it. I do have it. I wasn't like filming, but I did have it. I mean, I also have it right now on my phone, like little clips and photos, like how it went through a build process. So pretty much I acquired another 750. I think it was 97, yeah. But I mean, the car was in such a bad shape. It was terrible. The only thing was good is the engine. So I took the engine out from that car. It was running engine. And then I was just trying to, you know, refresh the some gaskets and O-rings and stuff. So when I was trying to replace the, like on a new engine, when I was trying to replace the valve cover gaskets, when I took the valve covers, I've realized on each side, the head stud, it was snapped, one on this side and one on the other side. I don't know, for some reason it was missing a stud each side. So I was like, oh damn. So then I just went fully, you know, I just took the heads out, took it to like a place where they like resurfaced the head and like pretty much clean, changed the valve stem seals, like the whole thing. I mean, the only thing I haven't touched, like probably the pistons and the rod bearings on the block. That's it. That's the only thing I haven't touched. It's still like the original, but I mean, it works. So I mean, it's been fine. It's been running for 2-3 months now. It hasn't given me any issue. Yeah, so I've serviced the whole engine fully. I'll provide pictures and videos. The intake manifolds, they were red, but it was like too much, like, I don't know, it was too much like in your face. So I've decided to go with blue. It's just more subtle, not like on your face. So, and I feel like, because I refurbished the calipers as well, I went blue, same as the intake manifold color, so it matches, and I think this blue color goes well with the silver. Yeah, I mean, in terms of like suspension and brakes, so I did refurbish the full the brakes. I mean, brake calipers, the new brake pads. I mean, painted them, then resurfaced the rotors. Probably I mean, they still had some life, so I didn't want to get new ones, but I will get new ones after I finish painting this car. I wanna probably get stop tech, because my 740IL, the one in the garage, has a full 750IL brake conversion, so that one has stop tech rotors, like the slotted version, not the drilled. It's just the slotted. It looks, I don't know, good. I like it. But yeah, also I'm running BC coilovers extreme low on this car, so yeah, so you can like adjust the camber and the softness, hardness. Also have stainless steel brake lines from ECS, just the front. I haven't touched the back yet. I'm gonna change the back as well. I do have a strut bar. I don't know, to be honest, where it came from. It was for E38. It was laying in the garage. I'm like, why not just slap it on? So I did. Yeah. Don't judge me on that. I know I ain't gonna do anything, but I think it looks cool. Yeah. But yeah, so overall, it's getting there. So right now, it's gonna well, it's gonna get ready for the paint. I think the next stage gonna be, because I did service the transmission as well. I changed the fluids and the filter, the gasket for the transmission oil pan. And I mean, like, suspension wise, it's solid. The motor, it's been serviced, so I mean, it's been really solid, runs healthy. Interior, I mean, as you just saw it, guys, and in such a great condition. So yeah, the interior is nice, it's solid. The only thing is probably take little trims here and there and just start preparing the car for the paint. Probably like first, I'll probably show in the other video more detailed how I go through a process, like to prepare the car for the paint, because I do prep the cars myself for the paint job. Like, I get it ready and then I take it to a paint job and they'll spray it, so that way I save money, they save time. So yeah, I mean, yeah. I do have a Alpina lip on it too. It's just on it, it's not like mounted. Just threw it on because it was laying in the garage, so didn't want to get broken, so it's here. But yeah, overall it turned out good. Yeah. I mean, also it's a 750. Why not save it, right? It's nowadays becoming more rare and rare. It's crazy. I mean, it had the M parallels on it when I got it, but I do have 3-piece 20-inch wheels that I want to put on them, but those wheels needs to be refurbished. I got them, but like all the lips around the wheels, they were all bad, so I'm trying to replace the lips for the wheels. But another video, I'll probably just put them on and see how it's gonna look. To be honest, I haven't put it on the car yet to see how it looks. If I like it, I'll get them refurbished. Actually, I should do that first. If I don't, then I'll just get rid of it. Yep. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and take you with me, guys, as I go further with this car and show you more detailed and all my progress and what I've done to a car and what I'm gonna do to the car. I'm just trying to document everything, and it's a content for you guys. Yeah, so thank you and see you next time.